Welcome to this video. We are solving Matrix 2023 GCE Paper 2 Mathematics. We are given the matrix P. So matrix P is equal to 7x, negative 2, negative x, 1. As you can see, this is our matrix P. And we have been given the determinant here. So question 1, they are saying find the value of x for which the determinant of P is negative 10. So we are saying the determinant is equal to negative 10. So how do we find the value of x here? Very simple. We are going to use the formula for determinant where we multiply the entities in the major diagonal, then we subtract the product of entities in the minor diagonal. So we're going to say this guy times this one. So we're going to say 1 times 7x minus, open bracket, we're going to say negative x times negative 2, like that, is equal to the determinant, which is negative 10. Alright, then we are going to say 1 times this guy, we get 7x minus these guys here, they're going to give us positive 2x is equal to negative 10. The difference here, we're going to have 5x is equal to negative 10. And then divide both sides by 5. By 5, 5 and 5 get 1. 1 times x, you remain with x, and this is equal to 5 into negative 10, you get negative, and 5 into 10, you get 2. So our value of x is 2. Now we go to the next question. Hence, find the inverse of P. Okay, so for us to find the inverse, we need to know the original matrix for P. Okay, because in the formula, there will be, we're going to involve the original matrix of P. As you can see, this is not the original because we have the variable in this matrix. So we need to replace this negative 2, okay, here in this matrix. So what are we going to do? We're going to say P, matrix P is equal to 7 times negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, 1, like that. And then we are going to get the original matrix to be, this implies that P will be 7 times negative 2, we get negative 14. And down here we have negative outside and we have another negative inside there, and then these guys, when they are multiplying, they're going to give us the positive. So we're going to get 2 here, and this remains the same, nothing changes there, and this is the original matrix for P, this one. Now the formula for finding P goes like P inverse is equal to 1 over determinant times the adjoint. Alright, now we already have the determinant given from the equation. What don't we have? The adjoint. Okay, now how do we find the adjoint? We get it from the original matrix there. Okay, so what we are going to do is just to swap the entities in the middle diagonal, and then here you just change the signs. So the adjoint of P is equal to, we're going to have 1, negative 14 down there. Okay, then we'll have 2 and negative 2 there, because in the major diagonal we swap the entities, in the minor diagonal we change the signs. Thank you so much. Let us continue. Alright, so inverse of P will be 1 over negative 10. Okay, negative 10 as our determinant. Then our adjoint which is 1, 2, negative 2, and negative 14. This is our inverse. Okay, for the sake of enjoying maths, let us continue. We're going to say the inverse of P is, we're going to say minus 1 over 10. Okay, then here it will be 2 over 10. So it will be negative 1 over 5. Then here it will be 1 over 5, because there's negative and negative, they will cancel each other, right? Then here it will be 7 over 5. There's negative and negative, they will cancel each other. So this is the final answer. Even if you leave it here, you'll be given the full marks. Are you sure you are not enjoying these videos? If you are enjoying, please, I beg you to comment, like, share, and follow us for more videos. Thank you so much for being the good guest. Bye-bye.